Illegal smuggling of timber continues under Kheroni Southern Range. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Jirbon Kilingpi. And now let's hear the news in detail. Even at a time when there are growing consciousness across the globe about the need to grow more trees to preserve the natural environment, a section of people are still continuing with the illegal felling of trees and supply of timber. The news of illegal cutting of trees under the Kheroni Southern Range has been time and again highlighted in the local media platforms. In spite of the fact that the forest personnel have been trying to stop the menace created by the illegal felling of trees, forest mafias continued with their activities. On Monday, our correspondent had encountered another truck bearing registration number ML046880 while it was engaged in the transport of freshly sectioned logs. The truck was seen at Rongparkong in Umplung area near Jirikindeng Bazar. It was headed to Meghalaya. However, it was a surprise when the driver of the truck said that he was not taking the logs for free and pays Rs 15,000 per month. However, he did not disclose to whom he was paying the money. But the driver's disclosure has cast shadow of doubts over the role of involvement of somebody or someone in the forest department personnel posted in the area. It would be interesting to see what the department has to say on the issue. Nevertheless, the statement of the driver had raised serious questions on the department.
วุฒิได้นะวุฒิได้นะคลิปเลย
ได้เลยติดแร่มาลิกกันน้
มันเล็ก
ำก็ยังมาลิกประตู
แกมฮอก
แกมpermission emที่มอง
คลิปงานคลิปเลยเอ็มเริ่มบุตรเดชเลียมนะ
ตัวซาติดนะตัวซาที่มอง
เด็บเอ
เด็ดคิดน่าเดีย
คัดสันยา
Aksan hajar 15,000 deh 15,000 dia monthly acik lu si pernah
ที่เป็นนาย
नाम मालूम है फॉरेस्ट को पैसा दिया कितना दिया
8,000
7,000 15,000 8,000 dia महीना में 15,000 दिया
Samsing Intis report from Jirikindeng for Karbi Anglong Live. The people of Mirmili Adong LP School polling station area have expressed their disappointment over the non-fulfillment of the developmental promises by local MAC and KACEM Lunsing Terong. They had condemned the MAC over his failure to address their decades-long problems. Before being elected to the KAC, the sitting MAC and KACEM Lunsing Terong promised to build a road for the people of number 94 Mirmili Adong LP School polling station under Mahamaya constituency. In his election campaign speech before the residents of the polling station, he promised to construct a concrete road and bridge for the convenience of communication. Consequently, he won the election and is about to complete his 5-year term in the office, but none of his promises have been fulfilled. The polling station covers the Bekula village and Kachirui Rongpi village, just few kilometers away from Dongmukak market. The local residents had on Tuesday expressed their anguish before the media persons. Locals informed that 3 to 4 surveys have been done in the area on the pretext of taking up development work, but no such work has been initiated. Before the last MAC and the MP elections, the BJP party leaders have wooed the voters with the fake promises. Further, local people of the area also charged that before the MP elections, the MAC, along with Tokmokam Municipal Board Chairman, VDC Chairman and local engineer even made budget estimate for construction of a bridge for the village. However, after the election results were declared, nothing was heard about the proposed bridge. Villagers alleged that they all have been taken for a ride by the political leaders with their fake promises. The frustrated villagers have made it clear that if Lunsing Terong does fulfill its promises before the upcoming MAC elections, they will withdraw their support towards the BJP party. Sarpang Ringti's report from Puloni for Karbi Anglong Live. A day after Lemtem Singnar LP school teacher Mongol Singh Terang and SMC President Rensing Singnar rejected the allegation made by the United Students Union of Karbi Anglong, the students' body hit back and asked them to show what works have been done with the funds received under the annual school grant. The students' organization convened a press conference at Hentanghat PWD-IB on Monday, during which they expressed their displeasure over the statement issued by the school teacher and SMC president over the allegation made by them. The students' body said that all LP schools receives annual school grant from government to enhance its facilities, repair or improve other learning needs and facilities of the school. The students' body dared Lamtam Singnar LP school teacher Mongol Singh Terang and school managing committee president Ren Singh Singnar to show what it has been done with the money received for the development of the local school.
Samilangso Education Block Angkang Jenglong a Hawarlong Kedo Lemtem Singnar LP School along Kaching Turawar Saya Vipin Bangso Putak Ahoga Hakalam Kachini Panilitum a song in pen Kedam Tang 18 October 2020 25 March 2021 26 May 2021 ani ilitum adiman humri amlo humri dam det pen hada bangke thek dam long bangke 1972 aning kanam hang pa thek pon labangso lemtem Singnar LP school longke desk tawe bench tawe blackboard tawe ing hapen chenglok mon hapen chenglok aklo made floranta henu thailo silada bangke non bangke school buda pudamoni delo isi chainong bier roison sinaman delo
কাৰ্বি আংলঙত যিকোনো ঠাইত যেনে ধৰণৰ স্কুলবিলাক বৰ্তমান ৰাখিব লাগে তেনেকা ধৰণৰ পৰা স্কুলৰ কৰ্তৃপক্ষসকলে দূৰত্ব আমি লক্ষ্য কৰিব পাইছোঁ আৰু সেইটো কাৰণে আমি সংবাদ মাধ্যমত প্ৰেছ যোগেদি হওক বা বিভিন্ন নানান ক্ষেত্ৰত অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিল কৰ্তৃপক্ষক আমি এইটোৰ ওপৰত জনাই আছোঁ যে শিক্ষকসকলক কাৰণ এতিয়া বৰ্তমান যোনটো কৰোনা সময়ত যোনটো লকডাউন যোনটো চলি স্কুল শিক্ষা অনুষ্ঠানবিলাক যোনটো বন্ধ দিছে কিন্তু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীসকলক বন্ধ দিছে কিন্তু মাষ্টৰসকলে আহি কৰি হ'লেও কেতিয়াবা স্কুলবিলাক চাফা চিকুণ কৰি ৰখাটো দৰকাৰ আছিলে কিন্তু আমি লক্ষ্য কৰিব পাইছোঁ সেই স্কুলবিলাক প্ৰায় স্কুলবিলাক গৰু গোহালিত লিপদিত হৈছে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ যেনে ধৰণৰ থ'ব লাগে স্কুলবিলাক নাই হোৱা হঠাৎ যোনটো আমাৰ পবিত্ৰ থান যোনটো মানৱ সম্পদ গঢ় তোলা বিভাগটো এই বিভাগটো দিনে দিনে ব্যৰ্থ হৈছে
On SMC President's version, that benches and desks of the school was kept at his house to prevent the measures. The US-UKA President Bibi Sonteron and General Secretary Jintu Hazarika asked SMC President and school teacher to point out under which guideline were the furniture allowed to be kept under any individual's possession.
Skula desk bench doan bang kalang li hemsi si pon lab lo pusipu mane la dak bang school long ka hengno lab na pul la so ka phere masi school mana heman si pon lab lo pusipu sitame la si kola bang Assam sarkar mane government ko so a guideline teng pen government ko so aron teng men si school desk ben alang li hengi si pon lab ma hala so aron ma hal so guideline ta rada thing no taklang la pen annual school grant labang so itu atangka nangle itu school of infrastructure development fund labang so atangka ko pen ko ansi sai ke claim ke dam de ma claim ko pisi ka sing thura sai ke claim ma halabang so ang thek tame itu thanbang ake hoy Mongol Singh Terang la pen SMC amai phu Ren Singh Singnar to alang litum kar thengnu aklang ko nai
Samsung Intis report from Domukak for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.